हेलो गाइस। सो टुडे इज़ माय फर्स्ट डे ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी। मैं आज यूनिवर्सिटी में फ़र्स्ट टाइम क्लासेस के लिए जाने वाली हूँ बिकॉज़ आज जब तक मेरी क्लासेस थी वो ऑनलाइन ही थी और आज मेरा जाचोट है। जाचोट मतलब जो आपने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस पर नोटबुक्स कंप्लीट की है वो टीचर्स को दिखानी पड़ती है और टीचर्स आपका वाइवा एग्ज़ाम लेती है, लाइक क्वेश्चन वगैरह पूछते हैं। सो आज मेरा जाचोट है, हम यूनिवर्सिटी जाने वाले हैं and I'm so excited because I'm going to wear apron first time on university classes. So देखते हैं आज का दिन कैसा जाता है। -22 टेम्परेचर है बट नहीं लग रही बिकॉज वाइन नहीं है आज। तो अब हम यूनिवर्सिटी के पास आए हैं और हमको लेट हुआ है। हमारा लेक्चर आज सेकेंड बिल्डिंग थर्ड फ्लोर पर है। See the sky looking so nice. इस टाइम मॉर्निंग को यूनिवर्सिटी में आई हूँ। अब जैकेट दे रहे हैं। इधर की लाइट तो सब ऑफ है। हाँ
take a certificate in English rather than getting a certificate in Mbbs.
It's time of our break.
जल्दी होगी।
So guys, we are trying. मैम ने हमें चाचत के लिए एक वीडियो बनाने को बोला है, तो हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। Recreate the counseling. Recreate.
Another story. Is playing role of mother and Stephanie is playing role of friend and Ikra as well and Moon is the patient as well. So let's continue.
Bro, why you are taking the drugs? This is not good for your health. Even she knows how what happened to you. This thing is. What about this? You never been. Before this, you don't know what's your condition. I don't want to listen. Why do you not want to listen? You don't know my family condition. You don't know my. What's the family condition? I know what's the family condition. You just want to tell us if anything is happening in your life. We have to manage that.
What is this? I will give you a tight slap. Let's take it to the counselor. Hello, doctor. My child is sick. अरे बहुत प्लीज भाई ऑडियंस
I'm drinking alcohol because my friends also some peer pressure and my girlfriend just leave.
So that's why she leaves you, because you are drinking alcohol.
Yeah.
You are some sort of devil, that's why she leaves you. This is the reason. Your father is coming here and is complaining about you. This thing will come to you. Like you are smoking at this young age. Just think about your kidneys. They are not kidney beans, they are kidneys. Think about it also, yeah. Your liver and everything is not spoiling.
Ma'am, what should I do to maintain my
Please try to
stress level
contact.
and
Please try to contact your family members. Have a conversation with your father, your family.
But nowadays he's not interacting with us, not giving us
these
time.
kind of activities are increasing day by day.
Please stay calm, Mr. Inspector. Please stay calm. Please maintain some dignity. You are in. Yeah, it's okay to feel these things in this kind of age, in the early adolescence. It's completely fine. You are in your early age, so it's okay. But you should try to stay in limits. Like it's not easy to cope up with all the things, but you will be able to if you try. Because obviously, if you will give it a try, you will be able to cope up with all the things and everything. And if your friends are forcing you, then they are the wrong friends. Obviously, you need to change your circle. You need to change your friends, and girlfriends come and go. But you know.
Ma'am, over.
क्वेश्चन है कि बैड पेरेंटिंग क्या है, आप इनसे जवाब दे दीजिए आपके हिसाब। हाँ, नॉट गिविंग टाइम ये अच्छा एग्जांपल है। हाँ, और
पेरेंट्स हर जगह से ही होते हैं, बट है ना हमारे लिए क्या होता है कि हम क्या सोचते हैं, हमारी इमेजिनेशन होती है कि पापा मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे या मैं उन्हें लगता है कि हम उनकी बात नहीं समझ रहे। एग्जैक्टली वो अपनी जगह सही है और हम अपनी जगह। अगर हम गड्ढे में गिरते हैं ना तो निकालने वाला हमें वही होते हैं, सामने वही खड़े होते हैं, हम नहीं होते, हम गिरे हुए होते हैं, वो उठाने वाले।
Yeah, good.
फॉर एग्जांपल कोई और आंसर करना चाहेगा?
Divorce of the parents, abuse of the children,
So they are telling their answers to it. Listen.
trauma, divorce of the parents, abuse of the child,
Oh, I need a Lamborghini. I need a Rolls-Royce car. I need a car right now, right now, right now. I need it right now.
Right now, I will give you a chocolate. No? Quite, I will give you a juice.
Okay, Papa. So we just, what we do for an autistic child, there's a simple thing. We just divert their mind. If the child is so Siddhi, so stubborn. So if the child is stubborn, what we actually do is we divert the mind of this child by giving it chocolates, by diverting him to something else.
But I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
The child is in what age?
He's
बिगड़ा हुआ चाइल्ड मैम.
We didn't have that.
Just joking.
We needed like 2 minutes before.
Not a problem at all. Next.
Okay, that's it, ma'am. Thank you.
12 psychology students. And online group students. Some students really I wanted to see you. Who is this? What is that? Because your work and your potential which you showed in online class, your assignments were too good, and many times I used and very good luck to you and the students who were really have the potential. Please do not discourage yourself as you're in online and take it granted. Okay, so that small your laziness should not pile up more you becoming a bad student in production. Okay? Good luck. And you have everything you can make it. Big round of applause. Possible as we will
सो क्लास इज़ ओवर. तो अब हम जा रहे हैं. हमारी साइकोलॉजी का ही जज था, बाकी कुछ नहीं है अब. तो मैम भी बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत मज़ा आया आज. अब भी नीचे जा रहे हैं. तो गाइस अभी हमारी क्लास ख़त्म हुई. अब जा रहे हैं हम यूनिवर्सिटी. इधर बस स्टॉप पर रुके हुए हैं. अच्छा था आज का दिन, सबसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. सब फ्रेंड्स जो ऑनलाइन दिख रहे थे वो ऑफलाइन, मतलब अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. और फर्स्ट टाइम एप्रॉन, वो तो फीलिंग अलग ही थी. इधर बहुत धूप दिख रही है बट सच में बहुत ठंड लग रही है. हैंड ग्लव्स पहने तब भी बहुत ठंड है. -25 है अब भी और धूप भी है.
बस धूप लगती नहीं.
हाँ,
यूजलेस.
धूप होने का कुछ मतलब भी नहीं है इधर. So today is our first and last lecture of psychology. It was very pleasant to meet and learn from Indian ma'am. She taught us how to deal with patient in future as a doctor and give us a lots of more knowledge about psychology. So it is all about a great day. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.